Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, and I wanted to start off with a Paris panel for you. If your house is like my house, you've been watching a ton of Olympics, and for some reason that umbrella there seems appropriate. So we do have a few of these panels in stock. And also, if you're watching the Olympics, I think they're required to get the Eiffel Tower in the TV screen about every 5 minutes or so. So this may be just the perfect thing for you for maybe a sofa throw or something for someone else who may love the Olympics as well. It's called Artworks, and I'll link it in the description of today's video. Now in blenders, we wanted to share another favorite. This is called Garden Pindot. It's from Michael Miller Fabrics, and we actually have this in 70 colors. So Garden Pindots is a great standby for any kind of background you might need. I actually have a friend, my friend Anna, did a whole quilt using the Pindots. So it was a really big, colorful, rainbowy quilt, and every single piece of fabric was one of these dotty fabrics. One of the things I like about these is they're not, it's not a specific pattern. So you just kind of get this kind of random run of dots. And that's about all I have to say about them. So we've just pulled a small selection of them. But like I said, they do come in 70 colors and we keep them in stock. So we have all of the options for you the next time you need something dotty in your life. That's what we have for you today. I hope that you are surviving the rain and wind and stuff that's coming through. And I hope everyone is safe and everything is safe. And we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.